Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn an activity based form of identifying trigonometric ratios of some specific angles where you don't have to memorize or you don't have to write and practice, just you have to learn the concept of activity called hand palm old method. This method mainly deals with the fingers, the 5 fingers, where each finger plays a role of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90, because those are the specific angles which is already defined. But only thing, there is a certain rule should be followed here. First is sine theta. If you want to find sine specific angle to 0 degree to 90 degree, you have to just remember this. It is obtained by under root of count below the closed finger by 2. That means whichever the finger you are going to close, either thumb finger, little finger, middle finger, based on whatever the specific angles you require, you are supposed to check the count of fingers below that closed one, and the value should be divided by 2. Just opposite to sine is cos, where you are supposed to count the finger which you have closed above how many fingers are existing, divided by 2, and it has under root. Tan, as we know, it is sine by cos, so you just have to take the ratio of below finger divided by the square root of above finger. Better understanding we can do it when we practically do it actually. When you're learning this, try to do it with hand and connect the concept with the method what you're going to learn now. First of all, naming the fingers with the specific angle is very important. Let us consider the left hand fingers, where thumb finger we have denoted with 0 degree, pointer finger 30 degree, middle finger 45 degree, ring finger 60 degree and little finger by 90 degree. First, if suppose you wanted to find sine theta, remember sine, it is under root of below the count of the closed finger divided by 2. So let's start with 0 degree. 0 degree represents a thumb finger. So what you have to do, please open up your hand and close thumb finger. So below thumb finger, we don't have any finger to count. So it is sine 0 degree is equal to root 0 by 2, which is nothing but 0 itself. Now open the thumb finger back. Let's find sine 30 degree. 30 degree represents the pointer finger. Now please close the pointer finger. So when the pointer finger is closed, you can see below the pointer finger you have thumb finger. That is only one finger you have. So it's root 1 by 2. Root 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 itself. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now open the pointer finger, close middle finger, because we are going to find sine 45 degree. So when we close the middle finger, the number of fingers below this middle finger is 2. That is, one is thumb finger and the other one is pointer finger. So it's root 2 by 2. A small simplification, root 2 by 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancels out. So sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Now open up the middle finger. Now proceeding to sine 60 degree. 60 degree represents the ring finger. Now close the ring finger. So when we bend the ring finger, check how many fingers are below this closed one. One is middle one, next is pointer, and the next one is thumb finger. So totally you have 3 fingers below. So it's under root of 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Open up the middle ring finger. Now proceed to the last one. Sine 90 degree. 90 degree represents the little finger. Now close the little finger. Below little finger, you have totally 4 fingers. That is ring finger, middle finger, pointer finger and thumb finger. So it is under root 4 by 2. Root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So for sign we have considered the closed finger below count. Now the next one what we are going to do is, you are going to learn for cos. Sine you have considered below, right? The same thing. For cos you have to consider the above count, divide by 2. Let's start with cos 0 degree. 0 degree represents thumb finger. Now you are going to find cos value. So check above count. How many fingers do we have? It's totally 4 fingers. So it is under root 4 by 2, which is 2 by 2. So the answer is 1. Cos 0 degree is 1. Let's check for cos 30 degree. 30 degree represents the pointer finger. So above the pointer finger, above the closed pointer finger, how many fingers we have? Middle finger, ring finger and little finger. So it is 3. Root 3 by 2. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree. As I said, close middle finger and count the above finger of middle finger. So what is the above finger we have? One is ring finger, the other one is little finger. So totally we have 2, so it is root 2 by 2. A small simplification, root 2 by root 2 into root 2. The answer becomes 1 by root 2 then. Goes for next. Cos 60 degree. So for 60 degree you have to close the ring finger and check above ring finger how many fingers do you have. So there is only one finger. So it's root 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 itself. And the last one is cos 90 degree. For cos 90 degree you have to close the little finger. When you close the little finger, you don't have any finger next to little finger. So it is root 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So for sine we considered below closed finger, cos above closed finger. Now when it comes to tan, you have to check under root of below finger by under root of above finger, because it is sine by cos. So tan theta is under root below count divided by under root above count. Same representation when it is tan 0, close thumb finger. When you close thumb finger, below it has 0 and above it has 4 fingers. So it is root 0 by 4, which is 0. Next, tan 30 degree. Close the pointer finger. When you close the pointer finger, below you have one finger, that is thumb finger, and above you have 3 fingers. So it is root 1 divided by root 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Check for tan 45 degree. For tan 45 degree, you have to check below 2 finger. That means tan 45 has 2 fingers below and similarly 2 fingers above. So it is root 2 by root 2, which is equal to 1. Next comes tan 60 degree. For tan 60, close the ring finger. Below you have 3 fingers count and above you have only 1 finger count. So we have root 3 by root 1, which is root 3. And the last one, tan 90 degree. Above you have 1 and below you have 4. Sorry, I repeat. Above you have nothing and below you have 4. So it is root 4 by 0, which is any number divided by 0 is not defined. So this is not defined. I repeat, tan 90, below the closed finger is 4 and above is, there is no finger, so it's 0. It's root 4 by 0. So any number divided by 0 is not defined. The same way you can identify cosec, because cosec is reciprocal of sin theta, sec is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. By practicing 2 or 3 times, you will be able to get the trigonometric ratios without memorizing, just the answers in your fingertips. So hope this video must have helped you. Thank you. Meet you in one more video.